What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the cheapest Zune HD I could find on eBay. And it's actually a really cool one. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, as I said before, this was the cheapest Zune HD on eBay at the time I bought it. I only paid $15 for it and it came with free shipping. And it is a Zune Originals. And yep, that's everything in the bag. For those of you who don't know, the Zune Originals was Microsoft's popularity attempt, you might say. They partnered with artists to make custom designs for the backs of their Zunes. And this box here, it's kind of got this raised texture to it. It's a work of art in and of itself. We've got the Zune Originals logo here on the back, the chrome Zune icon up top, and the bottom has the barcode, which is actually printed on there. And the stickers on the side have already been cut, so let's slide it open. And okay, it didn't show in the auction that it would come with the original packaging, and this clearly isn't the original packaging, but we have the manuals here. This doesn't look like a Zune HD product guide. This almost looks like it's for like the Zune 30 or 80 or something. Let's take a look at this other one here. This, I don't really remember, but I thought the Zune HD product guides were black. And this kind of has a brown look to it here. Oh, yep, Zune 8GB. Okay, this is for the flash Zunes. So that's kind of interesting. It has the wrong manuals with it. Inside of the box says thank you here. Slide this together and put it aside. Get to the pièce de résistance. So it looks like completely wrapped this thing in deflated bubble mailers. It's amazing the packaging I've got for stuff over the years. So this is actually crammed inside of a cut open bubble mailer. And let's pull it out here. And there we go. This thing is in pretty good shape, and there's the design on the back, and it's been monogrammed. That's kind of a bummer. Someone's put their name right here, which was a customization option. The auction only showed me like this bottom part of it here, so I kind of had to take a gamble on the rest. And yeah, I guess beggars can't be choosers. So if anyone out there has a Zune HD named Haley, let me know in the comments section down below. Other than that, condition-wise, the thing looks pristine. There's a little bit of something here in the screw hole. This is probably just dirt. It'll clean out with a toothpick. But yeah, on the off chance this works, let's try it. They specifically said in the auction it didn't come with a charger, and it was kind of unclear whether or not that was all it needed. So here's a charger here. It's plugged into the wall. We will see if this works. There should be a battery icon appear on screen. Not seeing anything. Yeah, it wasn't specified in the auction that it worked, just that it didn't include a charger. So I had hoped it would, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get that lucky. I'm gonna have to do a revival job, and that is gonna wait for a future video. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, get subscribed so you don't miss out on the restoration of this Zune coming soon, and I will see you guys in the next one.